Whatever problems you're facing right now, whatever anxieties, it's important to remember that all you need is already inside you. It is presence. Being in the moment, in the here, in the now. You may be looking at a beautiful video of a beach in Hawaii, but it is not necessary or needed to be one with the moment. It's not about these expansive, beautiful adventures, beaches and tropical locations, parties. That's only a small fragment of it. Whether you're working in an office, typing away at a keyboard, climbing Mount Everest, playing basketball, or just talking with your partner, friends, family, or even a stranger, the moment that you are in right now is life. So how do we become one with the present, with the now? We use our senses. What do you hear? What do you see? What can you taste? What can you feel? Noticing the little tiny details like raindrops on a window, the rays of sunshine beaming into a room, a flower rustling in the wind, waves crashing on a beach. They bring you into the now. And you may be asking, why is the now so important? Everybody's talking about this moment. It's because now is life. It's happening right now as you're listening to this. What happened to you in the past, it's trapped in the past. What will happen in the future has not even happened yet. The past and the future, they don't actually exist. They're just figments of our imagination. And we try to grasp onto the past, hold onto these traumas and things that happen. And we try to project and create and daydream about our future. There are times that the past can help, learning from our mistakes, or times that planning in the future can help, like saving money for college tuition. But most of us spend so much time thinking about the past and the future, we lose the only moment that matters, which is now. When you realize this, you begin your true spiritual journey. The present, the now, this moment is all you need.